This business owner was very smart. Recently, there has been an increase in website accessibility lawsuits in the state of Missouri. Here we can see a news article covering this, and the headline tells the story: Sue and settle lawsuits coming against Midwest business websites over alleged ADA noncompliance. So, this restaurant owner in Missouri writes us, I need an expert who can remediate my website to follow WCAG guidelines. And he proceeds to order the following services: a complete website rebuild, user testing, and a custom accessibility statement. Now, most clients get an audit for their website or other digital asset. Once we complete the audit, we deliver the audit report, and their team makes fixes based on the audit report. So they're fixing every issue in the audit report. His circumstance was different, so he went forward with a complete website rebuild where we rebuilt his website starting new. So it was completely accessible. After the rebuild was completed, he then ordered user testing services, and then he also ordered a custom accessibility statement to have published on his website. So he followed all of the best practices, and this wasn't me instructing him. He was ordering these services on his own. So he must have researched this, and he must have he did everything correctly. And now he not only has a completely accessible website, he also has evidence of such, not only with certification from accessible.org, but he has these recorded user testing sessions where a professional who is blind or visually impaired is using a screen reader and going through his website and is relaying their experience, which the experience is the website is now completely accessible. So he walks away with a fully WCAG 2.1 AA conformant website, accessible.org certification, user testing attestation, along with the recorded sessions, and a professionally written custom accessibility statement that speaks to all of the investments he just made. And the all in price here was, I think it was $2,900. I think it came in under $3,000. Now, this was a fairly simple website, but now he is in good shape. He can be completely confident that his website is accessible, and he has demonstrable evidence of this. So if you need help with ADA website compliance or accessibility services, we are happy to help. You can reach me at accessible.org.